Hi everyone, I'm John Christian Sinlao of COE 113B1 under Sir Eric Navarro. Today I'll discuss about enum string function. What is enum string function? An enum is a user-defined type consisting of a set of named constants called enumerators. What is the point of using enum? Using enums increase the level of abstraction and lets the programmer think about what the values mean rather than worry about how they are stored and accessed. This reduces the occurrence of bugs. Here's the syntax declaration. I'll show you some example. Here's the IOStream. Here's my library that supports enum. Here's the enumeration. Here's the elements. I enumerate chicken, pizza, bacon, ham. As you can see, I see out the value of chicken, the value of pizza, the value of bacon, and the value of ham. Let's try to compile it. Here. Here's the value of chicken, 0. As you can see, the first value of this enum is 0. The first element that you put as a value of 0. And let's try to change the values. Here, let's put this 5 and 6, 7, and ham is 8. Let's try to compile. Here, so you can see the value beside the chicken and the value of pizza. As we declared here, and here's the output. Thanks guys for watching my video tutorial. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.